Here is a video of my 52-inch new bronze Hunter Berkeley ceiling fan, and we'll start the demonstration. I got the old 5-speed pull chain out of there, and I think this fan's fixed, and hopefully I won't break the chain on this one. So we'll start off with the fan. Here's the blade. It's from cherry to maple, which I'll show. Some nice long chains. Here's the light. So the fan, but before I do that, I'll get up on my bed and I'll show you the maple side. Canopy. Sorry, I can't reach it very well. I'm pretty short. Well, not really short, but hold on. Okay, just adjusting the brightness on my phone. Here's the light, and it has two warm white LEDs, which I want to put in soft white. Wait, let me reverse it. I don't want to reverse it. Give me a second. Alright. Now I'll just show you the canopy. I'm on my bed now, so don't ask why I stuck that up there. There's the Hunter tag, and then there's the canopy, which I'm going to show to remove. For those of you who have this ring type of bracket. Here's the light, and we'll start the fan. Just get off my bed. Sorry for not starting the demo right away. When we moved in, I had a set of Harbor Breeze chains, which are long gone. Here's my Christmas lights. Medium. Which is not really a big difference, sadly. Okay, sorry, I had an interruption. My cousin walked in the room. I'm trying to make this video go by fast. And here's high. I don't want to get my phone too close to the fan, because once I did that with the Gazebo Plus, and it hit the phone, and it hit my knuckle, and it hurt like hell. So that is my Hunter Berkeley. Forgot to reverse it. I'll be doing a Christmas light tour maybe tonight. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.